representing Project Partners Central Danube Development Agency as a project manager, responsible for communication management during the project implementation of climate crisis. Let me talk about the project. Huge quantities of environmental and meteorological data are already available both within public institutions and from open sources. But how to make sense of all the data to improve public responses to heat waves, droughts, floods, and reduce their impact on biodiversity? The Climate Crisis Project Partners enhances the capacity of public authorities to manage climate change effects projected by the data. A dashboard visualizes available data and will be further tested and rolled out to policymakers. In addition, a joint strategy developed by the project helps them to better use those data.